Goa is now a place which has become a banana republic. There is one Goa but two sets of rules. One set of rules for the locals in which the noise pollution rules under the Environment Protection Act are selectively enforced and traditional events and weddings are shut at 10 p.m. Not only that, government officers are giving press statements outlining why they have to shut down these events. In spite of the Chief Minister's assurance given to me on the floor of the Goa Legislative Assembly that the government's inclination is to allow traditional events and weddings up to 12 a.m. Means till midnight they would not disturb the wedding. This was what a government assurance given solemnly on the floor of the Legislative Assembly. In spite of this, there is one set of rules for Goans and another set of rules for tourists and outsiders, basically those who run and those who frequent the nightclubs, bars run by outsiders in North Goa's beach belt. How can this be called law enforcement? This is selective enforcement of the laws. These double standards has angered locals, very justifiably so. Every local is angry that how can we be treated differently and the Delhiwalas be treated differently. Hence, I call upon the locals to start a civil disobedience movement against such discriminatory rules. Till the time the nightclubs and these Delhiwalas don't follow the rules, we Goans also shouldn't follow these rules. It is time that there is one rule for all. This is an issue of dignity, it is an issue of equality, and this is about Goa, and only we have to unitedly save Goa.